It's burning. Don't lick it. Don't lick it. It's in my gums. It's in between my two front teeth. It's like right here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is officially the first video. I don't know if it's going to be the first video I put up. It's the first video that I have with my Christmas tree in the background. It's not lit up right now. Also, all my nails fell off, so gross. But you guys, today is a fun video. We are trying a lip plumper, and it is from the company Plumpit. They sent this to me, and I have always wanted to try a lip plumper. Now there is a whole kit that goes along with this, but I actually only got this in PR, so I don't know what all of the, I think the other ones is like a lip prep, conditioner, and a chapstick, but this one just came with the plumper, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about this, and then we're going to see if I liked it or not. So let's get into this product. So this is a non-surgical alternative to lip fillers. It says that they're clinically tested and totally safe, except that I could not find any ingredients. They said something about having a type of pepper in here, which yes, you can feel that pepper, so trust me, you totally feel the pepper. It says that it soaks into your lips and never goes sticky and allows you to apply products on top. It says that one application can last up to 12 hours. That's nice. And it's less than 20 pounds for a pen that typically lasts you for 2 months. So they're affordable. So let's go ahead and try this, you guys. You guys can see what I thought about it. Do you guys think my lips look good? We'll see in the video. But this is just a real quick video testing this out, seeing if I like it. And if you guys like it, I will have their link below if you guys are interested in purchasing this for yourself. I don't know of any codes to save you money, but I believe they are having a Black Friday sale. I'm going to try and get this up as fast as possible while the Black Friday sale is still happening. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get into this video before my dog literally pops a vessel in her head from barking. It says 5 minutes. We're going to see 1 click, 2 click, 3 clicks. Honestly, what do you guys think? I mean, I think I just exfoliated them, put on a little bit of chapstick. They still look really bad. Definitely need some help. Let's do 2 clicks. So we're gonna do this. Oh no. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was a third because it had to get pushed out first. So this is about 3 clicks worth of product. Okay, it says that it will have a warming sensation. It's, okay, this is how I can describe it. It feels like I just cut open a jalapeno pepper and just rubbed it all over my lips like chapstick. That's what this feels like. It says embrace the tingle. I'm embracing it. It's kind of painful. It's a little bit, it's burning. It's burning. Don't lick it. Don't lick it. It's in my gums. It's in between my two front teeth. It's like right here. Embrace the tingle. Oh God. My lips have a heartbeat. I feel a heartbeat in my lips. There's a heartbeat in it. Oh God, my eyes are watering. I just spent so long on this makeup. Okay, it's definitely subsiding. The fire on my mouth, it's subsiding now. It's getting a little bit more tolerable. I am noticing that my lips are really red. I don't know if they're any bigger. Do they look bigger to you guys? feel like they're a lot more red though. I mean, I basically just rubbed a pepper all over them. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a couple more minutes. We'll see if they get any bigger. Then we'll put some lipstick on and see how pretty it looks. All right, it's been a couple minutes. I think this is as big as they're gonna get. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an after picture real quick. And then I'm gonna put on a mixture between Hexcellent, which is from Wet n Wild, very dark and vampy. But then I'm gonna put a little teensy bit of gloss right in the center to really see if they look super juicy. And this is from Midas, and this is in the shade number 4. And you guys, if you ever want any Midas products, I do have an affiliate code with them. You don't have to use it, but if you've never tried Midas, their products are absolutely beautiful. My code is Keara. I will go ahead and put that up top. There's also a link down below if you guys ever want to shop through them. But let's do this. Okay, so there is the lips. Here they are. I'm not pouting them out and making duck lips. Oh, no, can. Oh, we're not going to do that. So here's the lips. I think it worked pretty well, actually. I mean, they're not excessively gigantic like I've seen. Maybe my lips are just already big. I'm not too sure. But it didn't get as big as I was hoping. I really wanted, like, those gigantic Instagram full-blown plump lips, but mine are just, you know, they're decent. They're not anything to, you know, get super excited about. I thought they'd be a lot bigger, you guys. The burning is just a small little tingle right now, so it definitely goes away. But that is all I have for this, you guys. Let me know if you guys have used this and does it actually like make your lips look inflated. That's what I was really hoping it would do. Maybe I need to use more next time. I did use 4 clicks technically. Maybe I need to do a lot more than 4 clicks because I felt like this wasn't as big as I was hoping they would be. But you guys, that is all I have for this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! But it's the first video. What was that? Now, I can't. Which, yes, you can feel that pepper. If you guys are interested in